In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TurboTax from installturbotax.com. To get started, open the web browser you normally use on your computer and go to installturbotax.com. Make sure you type the website address carefully so you arrive at the correct page. Once the site loads, take a moment to confirm that you're on the official TurboTax installation page before continuing. This helps you avoid downloading software from the wrong source. When you're on the page, the next step is to sign in with your Intuit account credentials. Click the Sign In option and enter your account information to access your purchase or activate your software. As you do this, be sure to keep your login details private and enter them only on the official site. If your browser offers to save your password, use that option only if you're on a personal and secure device. After signing in successfully, look for the field where you can enter your license code. This code is usually included with your purchase confirmation inside the product packaging or in the email you received when you bought TurboTax. Type the license code carefully, paying close attention to letters, numbers, and any dashes if they appear. A small typing mistake can prevent the code from being accepted, so it's worth double checking before moving on. Once the license code has been entered, click Download. The site should then begin preparing your TurboTax installer. Depending on your browser settings, the download may start automatically, or you may be asked to confirm where you want the file saved. Choose a location on your computer that's easy to find, such as your Downloads folder or desktop, so you can quickly locate the installer afterward. If the download does not begin right away, wait a few moments and check for any messages on the page. Sometimes a browser may block a download until you approve it. Also, a slower internet connection can make the process take a little longer, so give it a moment before trying again. Once the file has finished downloading, you'll be ready for the next stage of installation using the file saved on your computer. And that's how to access and download TurboTax from installturbotax.com using your Intuit account and license code.